In today's video, I'm wanting to teach you how to set default styles in Mailchimp. By the end, you'll have a reusable template that keeps your fonts, colors, and spacing consistent across every email, saving you time and making your brand look polished. First, head into Mailchimp and click Campaigns. This is your central hub for everything you send, and it's where we'll find the tools to build a template. If you have multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the correct account so your template ends up in the right place. Next, click Email Templates. Templates are the foundation for consistent design. Instead of restyling each new email, you'll define your defaults once and reuse them whenever you build a campaign. Now click Mailchimp Templates. This opens Mailchimp's library of pre-built layouts. They're a great starting point because they already include responsive structure, so your emails look good on desktop and mobile without extra work. Browse through the templates you like. Look for a layout that fits your typical content. For example, a simple newsletter, a product spotlight, or an announcement format. Pay attention to the header area, column structure, and the number of content blocks. If you're unsure, pick a clean, minimal layout. You can always add or hide blocks later. Use the preview to check how the template flows, and imagine your own copy and images in place. Then click Create Template. This makes an editable version you can customize without changing the original. You may be prompted to name it. Choose something descriptive so you can recognize it quickly when building future campaigns. Now, edit the template to your liking. Open the style or design settings and set your default fonts for headings and body text. Choose your brand colors, adjust link and button styles, and refine line height and spacing for readability. Keep contrast accessible. Dark text on a light background is safest. Apply consistent padding around sections so content doesn't feel cramped, and align images and buttons to match your brand's look. If you use a logo, make sure it's high resolution and sized appropriately. Update the footer details and make sure the fine print is legible. As you adjust, use the preview and mobile view to confirm everything scales and aligns correctly. When you're happy, click Save and Exit. Your template is now stored and ready to use in future campaigns, carrying over all your default styles automatically. The next time you create an email, select this template and focus on your content instead of rebuilding design from scratch. That's it. Your default Mailchimp styles are set. Consistency done, time saved, brand elevated.